Why do we take so much pride in who we are? Okay, well, all that too, but that wasn't what I was referring to. Our values have always been at the core of who we are as a company and the foundation our business was built upon. We've been empowered by our work, supported by our colleagues, and our development has been nurtured. Our dedicated employees put all their passion in their work and all their trust in our company. We've forged the path ahead, maintained our leadership position. We've grown together and enjoyed every bit of the process. We're focused and ready for more great things ahead. And then came COVID. We needed to move fast, to adjust, to protect our employees, to respond to our customers' needs. We rose to the occasion, introduced all the safety measures, moved store employees to stores closest to their homes, organized transportation for them. Our store associates were now superheroes, just without capes. And their enthusiasm grew even stronger in the face of adversity. Our team continuously grew. We moved to online selection process and hired new associates for our stores and online sales. And heroes of our HR department remained at the office to process all the necessary paperwork. Our DC heroes kept going around the clock. We've protected them, our tireless providers, and the place where it all begins, so that we can deliver all the necessary goods, keep our shelves full, and trust our customers give us untouched, especially in those uncertain times. And you know what else we did? We decided to make the most out of it. We mentored and decided to keep mentoring. We decided to get to know each other on a deeper level, to learn, to share our knowledge, to help our people grow, to strengthen our community internally, to strengthen it externally. We chose to not only meet our goals, but to completely conquer them. We worked hard, we refused to quit. And when we got tired, we found ways to encourage and support each other. We lit up our days by sharing photos about working from home and got creative by competing for the Most Creative Mask Award. We focused on compassion in face of adversity, always finding ways to be there for each other, to rely on and be relied upon. And this, all of this, is why we take so much pride in who we are. Because no matter what, we're always there for each other.